Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on offline editing in Google Docs. So first of all, open the Google Chrome or Safari web browser and then open docs.google.com, or you can directly go to the Google Drive, okay, drive.google.com. So if you are already in the Google Docs as I am, so you need to click on these three horizontal lines here at the top left. Then you need to click on the Google Drive option, so it will take you to the Google Drive. Okay, so once you are here, you need to click on the settings right here. Okay, see the settings option at the top right. Okay, then click on settings here. Now again it will open up this option. Now scroll down till you see the offline option. Okay, now you can see create, open and edit your recent Google Docs sheets and slides files on this device while offline. Simply check mark, tick it. It will take a few seconds for it setting it up offline. Okay, so this is how easily you can do it. So this will completely set up, then you can use it offline. So thank you for using the for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.